Whenever I'm around, my kitty seems to get extra playful. Whenever I'm around, my kitty seems to get extra playful. Meow. Don't you think my outfit is pretty cute too?
Here's everything you need to know. You can get your, and if you download the changing your stream into a good looking one, it's just like by you here to open source. Okay. you can see that this thing appeared. This is just some information. You local file to the page a locale, for example, this YouTube image. And if you click on that, remove this and click on OK, you can see that it displayed. It also uses if this one words, so you can make it full. Just copy the height. If you frame rate, this is a separate. So we're going to add this. You have to OBS. Okay. As you see, the YouTube page has loaded. However, we can't really up, and we actually interact with the page. You can, and I can actually pause things. You cannot do this in this screen, in this preview of OBS, but only in this thing that's playing. You can see that in OBS here in test, because this is how we call the browser source test. We can see that we have this playing now, advanced properties. If you click on this and put it on monitor only, I'm gonna mute it for a second myself. Your head record your desk in your head more that you social media or many other things.
Let me show a free program, which I'll leave linked in the description down below. Ignore the fact that it says we're gonna go all the way down to where it says instant version, in the late download. Once it's done, basically this program right away we can accidentally clicking or moving the chat. So this
we are showing how to stream a game. I'm streaming Valorant. I'm choosing my game. Yeah, here it is. Okay, now it's on the live. Just start the stream. Turn on your live chat. Go to your options. Turn on, enable your live chat. Save. Here it is. On the right side, we can see our live chat. I'm just typing hi. Here it is. Okay, it's all about the browser. Let's go back to the OBS. Just click on this plus button and add browser. You can choose whatever name you want. I'm just adding live chat as name. Press OK. Here it is. You have to clear the default URL. This is it. Go to your YouTube channel. Here is your live chat. Just pop out your chat. You can choose whatever site. Size you want. You can customize the size, the width. I am putting the width as 500 and press OK. Okay, here it is. Here is our live chat. Now we can see the live chat on the OBS, but we don't need these backgrounds and other stuffs. To remove that, you have to paste the code. Just copy it from the description. Here it is. Copy the code of the background stuffs, and now here it is OBS. In the OBS view, I'm popping out my chat. I will put it in the basic box. I'm typing a hi. If we put some here on the OBS, check this. Anything.
Tell me that you love me.
Let's check the OBS. Here it is. Is that a symbol, text, anything we put in the chat, it will appear on the OBS itself. Yeah, thank you for watching. I'm ending the stream now. We are sure you have to just start this in a this and to your pop and
Let me show you how to program, which I'll leave. We're gonna be version find for you. Be look how you'll be YouTube in the top. We're gonna go then if you go and do that on the left in case you want to multi-stream, but right botnet enable that and set the time limit for them to require to stay on the screen before they go away. To other things like side or default. Default will add this little going to leave. Probably don't. So one green button, we're going to ignore everything there, but or else we have this little box next to it. Let's go over to weapon to rank our thing. Description down below. It's called TubeBuddy and it's free. We'll go to the bottom left corner and click. What I do is type in YouTube account that you have to mod, allowing it to post messages in your YouTube chat. So once you've modded Botrix, we're gonna hit close. So now we're gonna go to the top. See says public, which will allow Botrix to go into your YouTube stream to be able to post the messages, so we can change it to public. But we haven't started streaming yet. So if you've never go to our stream, we're gonna change our service to YouTube. Hit apply. Okay. From here, we're going to start the actual live stream. So I'm going to hit start streaming. It's going to start the live stream over on YouTube. Let's go check it out. You can see that we are currently live on YouTube. Our privacy is public. So now all we have to do, we change. Wait, maybe we're going to go off the chat box. Botrix, the first little Twitch chat overlay bubble, right click and hit reset. It has our chat and type testing 1 2. It is getting chat. Have that live chat. But essentially how this is going to work. So if you want to have your chat top left F9 on, I can't click on it. I can't interact with it because if we're playing in the actual video game, it would be a pain in the about this in your games. And it's going to work. So if we go to our video to on, then you can gives you that same effect. Link to be windowed downloaded. We're going to click the top left corner of that tool. We're going to ignore that tool. We different but for whatever reason, we're going to go to the YouTube, click that little button. Once you've logged in and given Botrix permissions, you'll be brought to this login block linked below. But this tool is going to give us our YouTube bot relay. This is going to prevent that from happening. So once it's done downloading, we're going to launch the Twitch chat overlay. This is all we need to do right now. So it's done downloading. We're going to launch the Twitch chat. So this is our YouTube chat over. Ignore the fact that it says transparent Twitch chat overlay. We're going to be using it for YouTube and download the latest release from yours. This link, it'll bring us to the latest version. It doesn't matter if this number differs from yours, depending on when you're watching this video, but you're going to find the latest version. You're going to scroll down to where it says assets. You're going to click assets and download the Twitch chat overlay installer right here. So I'm going to click that. It's going to start downloading. And once it's done downloading, then we're going to install it. So we're going to go through the I'm going to click that. It's going to start downloading. And once it's done downloading, then we're going to install it. So we're going to go through the installation process. It's pretty simple, but basically this program right here is going to allow us to put our YouTube chat over our game. So that way we can read our chat while we're streaming live on YouTube. And it won't get in the way while we're playing our game, like accidentally clicking or moving the chat. So this program's going to prevent that from happening. So once it's done downloading, we're going to launch the Twitch chat overlay. This is all we need to do right now. So we're going to minimize this and go over to bot race. This is another free tool I'll leave linked below, but this tool is going to give us our YouTube chat. So it'll be transparent. So we're going to log in with YouTube, click that little, this tool is this and go to Twitch chat over. The program's going to prevent that from happening. So once it's done downloading, we're going minimize this and the Twitch chat overlay. This is all we need to do right now. So we're going to minimize this and go over to bot race. This is another free tool I'll leave linked below, but this tool is going to give us our YouTube chat. So it'll be Let me quickly show you 3 different ways to add Twitch chat. Let me show you how to see your YouTube chat over your game when only using one monitor. Latest from your we can minimize. This tool is going to customize logged in and if it we're going to this chat turn off the bot before widgets tab on the this and then turn it on after you're already streaming. Now from here we're going to go to the widgets tab on the left hand side, then we're going to go to the chat tab, this one right here. You'll see the options below in case you want to multi-stream. We're going correctly and given our chat play. This is all we need to do right now, so we're going to minimize this and go over to bot race. This is another free tool I'll leave linked below. But this tool is going to give us our YouTube chat, so it'll be look how you want. You brought to this profile tab right here, and you'll know you've done it correctly if it says platform YouTube in the top left. So from here, we're going to go to the chatbot setting. settings, we're gonna make it to look how you want. So we're gonna log in with YouTube, click that little button. Once you've logged in and given Botrix permission, you'll be brought to this profile tab right here, and you'll know you've done it correctly if it says platform YouTube in the top left. So from here, we're going to go to the chatbot settings. We're going to make sure that this is enabled. Then we're going to go to the modules tab, and then we're going to enable this chat alert. Also, for whatever reason, if you already have premium and you have like a custom bot through here, turn off the bot before you go and do this, and then turn it on after you're already streaming. Now from here, we're going to go to the widgets tab on the left hand side. Then we're gonna go to the chat tab, this one right here. You'll see the options below in case you want to multi-stream, but right now I'm just going to have YouTube activated because we just want our YouTube chat. You have the option to hide bot messages, include different emotes, hide old messages in case you want them to disappear. Here, you'll just enable that and set the time limit for them to require to stay on the screen before they go away. I like them staying on the screen, so I'm going to disable that. You can change the font size, you can change the pattern. So in this case, if you want it transparent like this, you'll leave default. Will add this little black background. making it a lot easier to see the chat message on show. Next, they're gonna click the top left corner of that tool. Now we're gonna go back to that tool we downloaded. We're gonna click the top left corner of that tool. We're going to ignore everything that says chat because this is for Twitch. We can also go to the general. You can do some quality of life stuff here, but it really doesn't matter. But we're going to go to the widgets tab. From here, we're going to paste in that URL that we just got, and we're going to click create. And then we're going to click save, and you can see that we have this little box next to it, which is going to be our YouTube chat. However, we still got a couple more steps in order for it to work. So let's go over to our YouTube channel. If you guys are wondering what the heck this is above my head, it's basically my secret weapon on how I grew both my YouTube channels. It basically tells you which of your video ideas is going to rank in search results to get you more views and subscribers to grow your YouTube channel. It also does a lot more things, but I'll leave it at that. So if you also want to abuse this tool like I have to grow your channel, I'll leave it linked in the description down below. It's called TubeBuddy, and it's free. But once you're logged in, go to the top right corner and then go to YouTube Studio. See, I have Botrix modded here. So what you want to do is type in youtube.com/@Botrix, and that's going to give you the exact Botrix account that you have to mod. So youtube.com/@Botrix. Modded Botrix, we're going to hit close. So now we're going to go to privacy, says post the and go down and change it to whatever streaming software key here. We're going to go to stream. We're going to change our service to YouTube, and then we're going to use stream key advanced. I'm going to paste in the stream key we just start streaming. It's going to start privacy to say see all pops chatbot. Let's go back to YouTube. We can go and it's not there. All you have to do is go to this little arrow in the bottom right, show hidden icons, and then go to this on show settings, and you can get your window back. So as you can see, it has our YouTube.